Hello, Dr. Moore. So this particular lesson we're going to talk about is called Staying Motivated in the Face of Challenge. So we all sometimes do not want to do things that we do not want to do. There may be a particular class like, I don't know, linear algebra and differential equations. Do I really want to study for that class? No, it's abstract, but I still got to find a way to study for something and do my best even though I don't want to do it. And so what techniques can you put in place that will allow you to keep moving forward when you face a challenge or just aren't motivated to do something? So one of the things that I tried to do when I was in school, especially for classes where I'm like, so why are people excited about this class? I would find that one person in the class that was super excited about it, and I would ask them, so what gets you excited about this class? And I would then hope that their energy would transfer over to me and it would help get me excited about that class. But we also can do these mental tricks where we have a reward system in place. If I do this, then I can maybe have this treat, or I can have this thing that I really want. But the other thing that I also did is I created what I called a spider web. So I told myself, if I can find one thing in this class that's interesting, I'm going to search real hard. But if I find this one thing, then everything that I learn moving forward, I would connect it to that one thing. And the new thing I would learn, I would connect it to that one thing. And the next thing I would learn, I would connect it to that one thing. And in the end, I would have this spider web and the whole class would be interesting because I pushed myself to find one thing that was interesting. And so when we face challenges, we have to make sure that we really try to manage our attitude and our mindset, and we place ourselves in position to be able to do the best that we possibly can do. Win.